Now, in this video, we will going to take up one more statement, continue statement in Python program. Like break statement, continue statement are also used inside the loops. When the program execution reaches a continue statement, the program execution immediately jumps back to the start of the loop and re-evaluates the loop's condition. For example, syntax for variable in range, it will execute this class if it is true, then if condition or expression is true, then it will go to execute this class. Continue. So similarly for the while condition is true, it will execute this, then if condition or expression becomes true, then it will go to execute the continue statement. So this is the loop flowchart. Start, the condition becomes true, it will comes to continue. If it is false, then it will exit from the loop. So when it is continue, it jumps back to the condition and then it re-evaluates. Then it will going to execute the remaining loop of the body. Now to print the numbers from 1 to 10 using for loop, for I in range 1, 11, if I is equal to 5, the condition is true, then it will continue. Print I. Now then print loop terminates. So this is how the body structure of the while loop or the for loop will be considered. So what is the output? The output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not there, then it takes 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and loop terminates. So we are going to see how it will going to work. So for I in range 1, 11, because we need to print from 1 to 10. So up to that number, less than one number will going to be printed. Up to this number means what? It is 11. Less than that number is 1. So it is 9, 10. So first it will take the initial value of I is equal to 1. It checks for the condition. Is 1 is equal to 5? No, it will skip this. Then print 1. Again it go back. So it goes, takes 2. Is 2 is equal to 5? No, it skips this. Then prints I, 2. That is what we have done. Then it again goes back, takes the value of I as 3. Is 3 is equal to 5? No, print 3. So 3. Again it goes back, takes the value as 4. Is 4 is equal to 5? No, the condition is false. It skips this and print 4. Again it goes back. So it takes the value as 5. Is 5 is equal to 5? Condition is true, so it continue. It comes to this, it will execute. Once you say continue, what it does, it goes back. It won't print the value of I is equal to 5. So that is the reason why 5 is not there. So it takes the value of 6. 6 is, obviously it is within 11. So 6 is equal to 5. The condition is false. Print 6. So it is printed. Again you go back to take 7. 7 is within 11. Yes. Is 7 is equal to 5? No. Print 7. It's there. Again it goes back. Takes the value as 8. 8 is within 11. Yes. 8 is equal to 5. No. Print 8. Again it goes back. Then it takes the value as 9. 9 is within 11. Yes. 9 is equal to 5. Condition is false. So it skips this. Come to this. Print 9. Again it goes back. Then it will take 10. Is 10 is within 11? Yes. 10 is equal to 5? No. Print 10. Again it goes back. It takes the value as 11. Is 11 is within 11? No. It is 1 less than that number. So 10. So 10 is 10 is equal to 5? Yes. No, it's false. Print 10. It prints 10. Again it goes back. Takes value 11. Is 11 is within 11? No. So it, since the condition becomes false, it won't execute this. It comes directly this. Then it will going to print the loop terminates. So this is how the for loop will going to work in the continue statement to print the numbers from 1 to 10. Now we'll go for an while loop. First initialize the value of I is equal to 0. Is 0 is less than 10? Yes. Then increment this. I is equal to I plus 1. That is 1. If 1 is equal to 5, continue. No, it is not there. So print I. So then Again it goes back. So what is the output? You will go and output is 1 first. Then again it goes back. Is 1 is less than 10, condition is true. I is equal to 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. Is 2 is equal to 5? No. Print 2. So 2 is printed. Again it goes back. Is 2 is less than 10, condition is true. Then it comes to this. I becomes 3. So 2 plus 1, it becomes 3. Is 3 is equal to 5? No. Print 3. You got 3. Again it goes back. Is 3 is less than 10, condition is true. Then it comes to this. I will be 4. 3 plus 1, it becomes 4. Is 4 is equal to 5? No. Print 4. You got this. Again it goes back. So now it takes the value as 5. Sorry, 4 is less than 10? No. Condition is true. Then it comes to this. I will be taken as 4 plus 1 is 5. Is 5 is equal to 5? Yes, the condition is true. Is continuous. So again it goes back. Is 5 is less than 10? Condition is true. Then it takes the value of I as 6. Is 6 is equal to 5? No. Print I. It goes, takes this and it goes back. So print 6. Then is 6 plus 1, 6 is less than 10, the condition is true. So it increments the value of I as 1. So it becomes 7. Is 7 is equal to 5? No. Print 7. Again it goes back. Is 7 is less than 10, condition is true. So it takes the increment by 1, it becomes 8. Is 8 is equal to 5, condition is false, so print 8. Again it goes back. 8 is less than 10, yes, condition is true. I becomes 9. Is 9 is equal to 5, condition becomes false, so print 9. Again it goes back. So 9 is less than 10, condition is true. Yes. So I is equal to 10. Is 10 is equal to 5? No. It skips this and print 10. Again it goes back. So is 10 is less than 10, the condition becomes false. It keeps all other statements and comes to this. So print loop terminates. So this is how your continuous statement will work by using the while loop. So this is how it will go to work now. So now we will try to work it out how it will going to be executed by using the code for a for loop. So first I will take for I in range. What is that? I want to print the numbers from 1 to 10. So I have to take more than 1 more than the number. Then if I is equal to 5, I is equal to 5, condition is true, then continue. Then I need to print the value of I, print I. Then I will say print loop terminates. Okay, now we will try to explain. Now we will try to execute this by block. So first it will take the value of I as 1. 1 is within 11, yes. 1 is equal to 5, no. It skips this. So it comes to this, print 1. So the 1 is printed. Then again it goes back. 1 is less than 11, yes. 1 is within 11, yes. Then 1 is equal to 5, no. Then it will take the value as 2. So now it is 2. So print 2. Then it goes back. Is 2 becomes 3 now. 3 is within 11. Yes. Is 3 is equal to 5? No. Condition becomes false. So print 3. So you will get print 3. Again it goes back. Takes the value 4. Is 4, 4 is in 11. Yes. Then is 4 is equal to 5? No. Print 4. Here, print 4. Next, takes the value as 5. Is 5 is within 11? Yes. Is 5 is equal to 5? Condition is true. So it continue. So it comes to this continue. Once it comes to the continue, it won't come to this. It goes back now. You see just the cursor. It goes back. So 5 is not printed here. Then it takes the value of I as 6. Is 6 is equal to 5? No. Print 6 now. It will print the value as 6 now. Yes. Again it goes back, takes the value as 7. 7 is within 11. Yes. 7 is equal to 5. No. Print 7. Again it goes back, takes the value as 8 now. 8 is within 11. Yes. 8 is equal to 5. No. Print 8. Again it goes back, take the value as 9. 9 is within 11. Yes. 9 is equal to 5. No. Condition is false. Print 9. Then again it takes the value of I as 10. Okay. 10 is within 11. Yes. 10 is equal to 5. Condition is false. Print 10. Then it takes the value as 11. Is 11 within 11? No. So is 11 within 11? The condition is false. So it skips all these lines and comes to the loop terminates. So this is how the program of continue will going to be executed using the for loop. Now we will try to explain the same thing by using the while loop. So how this while loop will going to work with this. So first we are going to take the initialize the value of I is equal to I equals 0 while I is less than or equal to 10 or y is less than 10 while I is less than 10, then I is equal to I plus 1. Okay. If I is equal to 5, continue, condition is true, you continue it. Okay. Print I, then print loop terminates. Okay, how this will go to work we will see. Debug Python file. So initially it takes the value of I as 0. If 0 is less than 10, condition is true. So I will be taken as 1 now. Is 1 is equal to 5, condition is false. Print 1. Then 1 is less than 10. Condition is false, condition is true, yes. I will become 2 now. You can see 2. Is 2 is equal to 5? No. Print 2. So it takes this. Then 2 is less than 10. Condition is true. Then it takes the value as 3. 3 is equal to 5? No. Print 3. Again it takes 3 is less than 10. Condition is true. So I will become 4. Is 4 is equal to 5? Condition is false. Print 4. Again, is 4 is less than 10, condition is true, then it takes the value of I as 5 now. Is 5 is equal to 5? Yes. Now you comes to this now. Continue. Again it goes back. Is 5 is less than 10, condition is true, then I will become 6. Is 6 is equal to 5, condition is false, print 6. Again, 6 is less than 10, condition is true, then I will be 7. Is 7 is equal to 5, condition is false, print 7. Then 7 is less than 10, condition is false. I will be taken as 8 now. You can see here 8. Is 8 is equal to 5, condition is false, print 8. Then 8 is less than 10, condition is true. Then it takes the value of I as 9. 9 is equal to 5, print 9. Then is 9 is less than 10, condition is true, then I will be taken as 10, 10 is equal to 5, no, print 10. Then 10 is less than 10, condition becomes false, then print loop terminates. So this is how the continue statement will going to work, both using the for loop and also by using the while loop. So the for loop is more concise because the initial condition, end condition and the increment all are in one place. But whereas in the while condition, initialization is done here, then the end condition is in while loop, and then we are giving the increment here. So this is how the basic difference is between while loop and the for loop, and how this the continue will going to work. The difference between the break and the continue statement is When the if condition, the value of the iteration is checked in the if condition, if it is a break statement, it will break from that point and it will won't execute further. But in continue, what happens after that condition, the moment when it reaches to this condition, if this condition is true, again it goes back to the loop directly. So without printing that value of the condition. In this case, 5 is the condition, so 5 will not going to be printed in the 5 will not going to be printed in the continue statement when you are considering this, whether it is in the for loop or in the while loop. Both in this condition, if this condition becomes true, then it will not going to execute that particular iteration. So this is how the continue statement works in both in for loop and as well as in the while loop. Thank you.